If you're trying to sign into your Microsoft account but the verification email just won't arrive, don't worry. This is one of the most common issues people run into, and there are a few quick fixes that usually solve it right away. First, check the basics. Open your spam or junk folder. Microsoft emails often get filtered automatically, so the code might already be sitting there. Also, look in your other tab if you're using Outlook, because sometimes the email lands there instead of your main inbox. If it's still missing, make sure your email inbox isn't full. A lot of people don't realize that a maxed out mailbox can block new messages entirely. Simply deleting a few old emails can instantly fix the problem. Next, add account security no reply at account.microsoft.com to your contacts or safe senders list. This prevents your email provider from blocking Microsoft's security messages. Another quick fix is to resend the code after waiting at least 60 seconds. Sending too many requests back to back can temporarily delay or block new codes. If you recently changed your password, email, or recovery settings, Microsoft might temporarily lock verification messages for security reasons. In that case, try signing in using a different recovery option, like your phone number, then update your security info once you're inside your account. And finally, check if you're using the correct email. It sounds obvious, but it's extremely common for people to mix up personal, school, or work accounts. If you follow these steps, you should be able to get the verification email to show up without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your account smoothly. If you want more quick tech fixes like this, stick around. There's plenty more coming.